On Chromebook, to install Linux application, we have to use the Linux terminal. However, if you want to install Linux application using a Snap Store on your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Here in this video, we will discuss how we can install Snap Store on Chromebook. Let me tell you that Snap Store is just like a Google Play Store. Using Snap Store, you can directly install Linux application on your Chromebook without running any terminal command. Now to install Snap Store, first of all, we have to open the Linux terminal. For that, simply click on this app launcher icon, open Linux folder, and here open the terminal application. Here click on Penguin option to open the terminal interface. Now to install Snap Store, we have to run some terminal command. First one is sudo apt-update. Then hit enter. It will update the apt repository. Once the update process has been completed, you can run sudo apt install snapd. Then hit enter. Now if you get do you want to continue option, here press Y and hit enter. This command will install Snap Store support on your Chromebook. Once the installation is complete, you need to run one more command to install GUI application of Snap Store. For that, simply run sudo apt-get space installed gnome-software-plugin-snap. Then hit enter. And here you will get do you want to continue option. Here press Y and hit enter. This will install GUI application of Snap Store on your Chromebook. Using that GUI, you can easily install Linux application on your Chromebook. Here you can see the installation has been successfully completed. Now simply close this Linux terminal. Now to use Snap Store to install Linux application, simply click on this app launcher icon. And here open the Linux apps folder, and here you will find a software application. Simply open this. So here we have our Snap Store. From here you can simply search for the application that you want to install on your Chromebook. Now to install any application, you can either search for the application or else you can browse application by its category. Say for example, I want to install GIMP. On the search option, I will simply search for GIMP. Simply select the application from the search result. Then click on this install button. So that's it. This is how you can install Snap Store on Chromebook. However, if you are wondering about the terminal command, don't worry. I'll put all the terminal command in the description box. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this.